Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, July 28th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Yesterday, I explained to you, as you've heard before, obviously, particularly if you're trading this week. Coming into this month, we had 8 straight winning months. Almost seemed like we couldn't do anything wrong. And starting about the second week or so of this month, things have uh, turned bad, and the past few days have been exceptionally brutal, including today. I tried to describe yesterday kind of an analogy what happens. You get a really good trading pattern that becomes very profitable, and it's like you're in a room at first by yourself. That was me 8 months ago, and more people start coming into the room, and pretty soon that room gets really crowded. And the problem there is that the majority of traders cannot make money in the stock market. It's a You have to be a minority to make money. So a crowded room is bad news, and what happens then is all of a sudden the trading system turns turns against you. You start losing money. And I think that's what's happened this month, and it's accelerating. But I did explain that I've been through this many times before. And it's like suddenly those people in that crowded room realize just how bad things are going, and they start running for the exits. Literally just climbing the walls to get out of that room. And pretty soon the room will empty again. And that's when things go back to being good again. And I do expect that's going to happen. But boy, today, yesterday, the day before, these are the days that make people tear out their hair and make them run for the exits of that crowded room. Today, the Dow again uh, uh, kind of did a number on us. It opened negative, and that resulted in us closing our 13 positions that we had, which were already net losers. Uh, and we ended up closing out with negative $4,400. And then, don't ask me how this happens, but we actually got into 8 positions, which isn't a small number, but only one of those ended up positive, 7 are negative, and we're carrying negative $3,600 in open trade going into tomorrow, with 7 out of our 8 positions already losers. So combined, uh, we have almost $8,000. Well, in fact, we do have, actually, yeah, we have slightly over $8,000 in losing trades. Not good. Uh, you can see how the Dow was negative all day, but it looked like it might rally here. Usually, when it's, you know, come back from a spike like this at the beginning of the day, it will keep going, or at least hold its own. No, the last hour it turned against us and took out that low from earlier this morning. Very bad sign. And if I'm looking at this, I gotta say, unfortunately, that negative $3,600 that we're holding in those 8 positions will probably get worse tomorrow. That is the bad news. Officially, the Dow closed down 205 points. And with that said, I have absolutely nothing I want to show you or talk about. It was all bad. So, very depressing, ugly trading day. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Wednesday.